YouTube, welcome to BellsRides. I'm Belle. Thanks so much for joining me today. So I have an interesting topic to talk to you guys about. Well, maybe it's interesting to me because I'm curious, and you know, curious always kills the cats. Maybe this will be the same thing now. So my question to you guys that I'm very curious about, do you think that the big channels like Blockhead or John Maxwell, to name a couple, Shade Tree, do you think they have time to watch small channels like mine or some of the ones that I follow as well that are equally small or a little smaller, a little bit bigger, but you know, about the same size as mine? Growing, we're all growing, we're, you know, doing the grind and putting out some pretty cool content. So we're slowly growing. But my question is, the big channels, the big giant ones at 100,000, do you think they have time to support smaller channels like ours? Kind of curious about that. I understand that, you know, they're still doing the grind. They're making content, editing, releasing, but then the other things that go with it, the sponsorships, the, you know, responding to their supporters, that takes a lot of time. And just kind of curious if they have time or make time to watch other people's channels that are as big as theirs. Kind of curious about that. So anyway, tell me what you think on that, and you know, if you happen to know them personally, do a shout out, ask that question. I'm kind of curious about it. It's pretty interesting to me to find out, how do they manage their time? Do they get to have downtime to just watch other people's content and or just support them? You know, like when I first joined the current moto community that I am affiliated with now, which I happened through watching Moto Map Man. I was reading through some of his comments from his subscribers and saw a couple comments that were really cool, like from the Geared Raven, and I checked her channel out and she is awesome. I just love that girl. She's awesome. And I also met or subscribed to Motorcycle Mama. Not only is she just a doll face and super sweet, she's a badass and supportive. They both are so supportive to fellow motorcycle riders, female, males, whatever, it doesn't really matter. They're just supportive. So I'm just kind of curious what you guys think about all that. What are your take on it? Do you think that they're just too busy to follow other people like this, or do they find a minute to scroll through and, you know, try to broaden their horizon as well? I don't know. Kind of curious. So let me know. Hit me up down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think. If you like this content, please subscribe. Really appreciate it. And hit that like button. Share it with your friends. You know the drill. Anyway, have a great day. Happy Sunday. I hope you're enjoying your ride. I know I am. You guys take it easy. Out.